Hello YouTube, another devlog here, MacroPulse. So today what we're working on is I noticed there's a bug here where these buttons will replicate themselves, and that will get to a point where it's like um, 10 of these buttons again and again. So I created here a check or iteration of governance policies. So the governance category is broken apparently. And so what I made is on the begin play, I try to make a print string like this. On the moment where these are government policies, we'll want to go here and count one by one and then print. Um, so for example, if I open it right now, 1, 2, 3. So we only have 3. And I'm trying to figure out more like this. It's only 3 right now. Reset. Cheat. Only 3. So I don't know how I had this bug before, but anyway, it's gonna come eventually. It's gonna show its teeth once again. But until then, I'm gonna try to play a little bit around. For example, let's say with these variables. Maybe this is gonna bring it back. It's not coming back, but anyways. I want to add a sound here. I don't know what sound. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Also, I want to add a sound on the leave, right? When you drag this one, right, and then you leave it like this should also make a sound. Maybe the dragging motion itself should also add a sound, right? Apply, this should also add a sound. We'll figure this one out. Apply, apply, info debug. Maybe this is gonna break it now. Oh yeah, I know what's gonna break it. Upgrading policies, it is gonna break it. I 100% guarantee that. Nope. If I upgrade more of these, if I upgrade here, go back. If I close the game and come back, yeah, you see, this is totally bringing the errors back. So if I make an upgrade, perhaps let's reset, right? So now it's 3. If I make upgrades here, if I make my upgrades here, let's see, and now I go out of the game, or open back the game again, or maybe if I cheat, what's the pattern here? Come back and it's 6. Alright, so I think we have a clue here. So we're gonna close the game, start again. We're gonna make an upgrade, simple upgrade. We're gonna close the game and come back. Somewhere there's the error. Yeah, so right now it's 6 again. So it's 3 times 2, it's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it's the same policies. But this only happens here for some reason, it's never happening here. For example, let's say we make upgrades here in the social affairs, upgrades, close the game, come back, social affairs. Whoa, the same problem happens everywhere. Because look at this, universal preventive healthcare coverage, universal preventive healthcare coverage, you see? Or let's say we upgrade here. The same problem exists here too, without even having made any upgrades here. If you hire an economic manager, you see, it's duplicated again and again. And this is really a big scary problem that we have. It's really not good. Wow, now it's 9, it's 9. So it's 3 times 3. Host rallies, host rallies, host rallies. How many times is this gonna duplicate itself, recreate itself? Let's say we cheat, increase more the numbers here. Close the game and come back. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's 1, 2, 3. So now it's 4. 4 times 3. Um, Although 3 times 4 is 18, isn't it? So here, no. Yeah, it's 12. It's correct. Yeah, I'm not the best at math, but look at all these policies. So we need to figure out how it's saving, first of all. The savings, it's done properly. We could add a branch saying, if this already exists, don't recreate it. But I feel like the more saves and loads we create, the more this is gonna be needed to, this number is gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger if, endlessly. And we're gonna have all these endless traces, I feel like. So I'm gonna need to figure out what's going on here, to the point where I can see. So this number has increased dramatically. Right now it's 104. So we could do something else, which is data policy costs. No, that's not the one. Policies. So policies. Yeah, so how many do we have here? 26. Want to go here and open up the game. 26 instead of 26, we have 104. This is a lot more than what we need. So we need to find a cure and a fix to the problem that we have right now, because we're almost there. Once we fix that problem, we're all gonna be good. Policy, right. This is not really doing much right now. Let me think for a second. So on the creation, I think there could be something wrong in the loading process or the saving process. And the saving process comes right after this one. And it should be somewhere in here. Saving loading is this one. Policy regular operation. Then we go to the saving. So let's debug the saving. Every time we change this, like reset right now. I'm gonna reset, and now it's gonna set to 3 from the beginning, and the number of policies is gonna be set to 26 back down. So let's make an upgrade here. Is this the right number? 26, yeah, it is. Let's go forward. "26 base variables." Yeah, that's something else. What we're looking at is base variables. So we're gonna close the game maybe. And now we can also debug the creation process of this one. Put this breakpoint here. Save and loading. Now we're gonna actually see the loading process right now. It's still 26. Still 26. This is really suspicious right now. Oh yeah, we're going from the beginning. base variables, extra base variables. What about the policies that we have like right now? Whoa, I see an issue here. For example, why are these 52, right? And here we have only 26. So the numbers already increased. We could do something where on the begin play you load the F policy data. Wait, how many times has this been hit? So when you open this one now, it's gonna be 6. Is it? Wait, what happens? Why is it not letting me? Yeah, so it has created a lot more things. You see, EID, EID. So this is wrong, really. But why is it going up, right? If it's not the first time that we're loading this, then it should not be going on that direction. Like if I open the game right now, for example, if it goes up, then it's gonna duplicate our items by a large amount. So this is not doing it right now, this process. But in the second, like, I feel like when I press something that it does that. So if I upgrade something here, maybe not right now, or let's see. Nope. Economy. We need more money. So we close the game now. Text is gonna be true. This is really suspicious. Why? So here's our problem. Why is this text turning into true? Our real problem is here in the load first time and the save first time. So this is really our problem. We're gonna go over this one specifically. Right, so it's making a save here. I don't know why why that is even done at all right now. Yeah, this kind of thing doesn't matter here, I think. Load first time. Is it true or false? It's false, of course. But if I change something here, for example, this one. Slot first. Is this slot the same thing as this? Whoa, this is it. It's the same slot. And this is why. We shouldn't have that here. Slot game. This should be like this. Yeah, we need to remove all these. I don't think we need this one either for now. Cheat, cheat, cheat. We need to reset ourselves. Also this one. Everything. Let's go. Make an upgrade. Stop the game. Come back, and everything is fixed up. Congratulations, we did it.